Hello and welcome to India AI. I am Samiksha and I have with me today a very young innovator, all of 10 years old, who's built something interesting using AI. So let's talk to Sheel Shah from Mumbai, who's built a very interesting face mask identifier project. Hi Sheel, can you start by introducing yourself, please?
Yes, sure. Good morning, everyone. I am Shil Priyangsha and I am 10 years old. I am studying in 5th grade at SKKE School, Mumbai. I love reading and I spend my time in doing creative things.
Wow,
Thank you
Sheel.
to India AI to have me here.
We are very excited to have you, Sheel. I want to start by asking how the idea of building a face mask identifier come to you.
Um, as you know, the pandemic around the world, it is so much important for everyone to wear masks and keep themselves and their families safe. My project is exactly what everyone needs. If such a system is installed inside our home, it will make sure that no one leaves the home without wearing a mask. And if it is installed at some other place like offices or malls, it will make sure that no one enters the mall without a mask on.
Wow, so that's amazing. So that is basically the idea behind building a face mask identifier. And I love how you understand that this is a very relevant thing for today's times. Of course, in the times of COVID, when it's very important for our safety and for everybody's safety to be wearing a mask. So I think it's a very relevant project for today's times. But moving on to how you first got introduced to AI and who was it that introduced you to this very interesting world of AI?
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are both very useful technologies nowadays, as well as they will be in the future too. As you know, I love making projects and games. AI and ML make them super interesting. I am all excited to use AI and ML in projects. I
Wow.
love ML projects more where I make my computer recognize my poses and my toys. My uncle Drupal introduced me to these technologies a few months back. Till date, I love AI and ML.
So how old were you, Sheel, when your uncle first introduced you? What is the first time that you ever experimented with AI?
I was just 10 years old.
Just 10 years old, so young. Wow. And what was the first AI project that you ever made?
The first AI project was the character walking from one place to another.
Wow. So that I'm sure also involved a little bit of training, and then you were able to
Yes, yes.
train it to walk. Wow, very interesting. Okay. And now speaking of all of these projects, which are the softwares that you use to train your projects and to build all these models?
I have used many programming softwares and applications like Scratch, Codel, Tinker, Lightbot, PictoBlocks, and Whitehead Junior. All of them were good to use. I have made this project using Teachable Machine to train my models and have used PictoBlocks for coding.
Wow. It sounds very amusing to me that someone as young as you is able to do all of these seemingly complicated things with AI and ML. And so, what do you want to say to some of your friends who are only your age, but maybe a little bit intimidated with AI? What would you tell them so as to encourage them to experiment with AI?
I would like to say to the kids of my age that they should start coding and innovating with AI at a young age, as after a few years we will then be busy with our 9th and 10th exams. Thus, today we have sufficient time to learn it and innovate it. Also, as our brain grows faster at this age, I would like to say to the kids that they should start coding either by themselves or by joining coding sessions at a young age like 9 to 10 years.
Wow. You mentioned about your uncle who introduced you to AI. So I assume that it's important to have someone in the family support the kid. In your case, it was your uncle, but you also mentioned to me that it was your mom as well who would encourage you to do it. Tell me a little bit about how she encourages you to do all of these creative things.
Every time in the festivals or something is there, or someone relatives birthdays, she gives me the topics and gives the idea to do like this you do, like that you do, and the coding and the innovations that I do by myself.
Oh, that that's the most interesting thing. You need the parents and the elders to give you direction, and then it's amazing that after that you can pick it up yourself and carry it forward. I also remember you mentioned this very interesting Ganesh Chaturthi project to me. Talk about that a little bit.
Ganesh Chaturthi project I made when the Ganesh festival was going on,
Huh.
and okay, ma'am. So this is my project. This when green flag clicked means when this green flag is clicked, this full coding will start. Then the other block is turn on video on stage with 0% transparency. Means our video will get on by the computer. Then
Mm-hmm.
this forever block means that it will continue and continue and continue until I stop it. Then this if then block means if something mask off means if we are not wearing the mask, it will be seen in the webcam. So it will identify that we are not wearing a mask, and it will tell please wear a mask. Then the other if then means that in the webcam, if we are wearing the mask properly from nose to mouth, it will identify that we are wearing a mask and says thank you for wearing a mask. So I am owning. So what will happen? You can see.
Okay.
So now I have shared my screen and I have on my project. See, now I am not
Okay.
wearing a mask. So it is telling please wear a mask. And
Okay.
now I will wear the mask.
Okay. Show us.
See. And now if I am wearing only till my mouth, it is telling please wear a mask because I have not wore it properly.
Wow.
So
So
this
it's
was my project for this situation.
that's amazing. It sounds very impressive, Sheel. Thank you so much for the demo.
Welcome.
Also about your face mask identifier, how do you like see further execution of it? Do you suggest like maybe we can have cameras everywhere, like a reminder for everyone? Is that how you visualize it? To have cameras at various places?
Yes, yes.
Huh, go
So
on.
we don't have to carry this much big laptop. Only we have to
Huh,
carry small cameras so that
huh.
everybody is um, kept uh, wearing a mask or not. The
Okay.
police or the doctor or someone can see.
Oh, right. So it's basically you want to help the law enforcement agencies to see who's not following the rules. Do you suggest any strict punishments for people who don't follow even after reminders?
No, no.
Can you think of an interesting, maybe your next project could talk about how to make people follow the rules, even if they don't follow after reminders?
Um, they should know if they are standing on the bus stand and if the camera is above, so the blockage happens and the person cannot go ahead.
Oh,
He will remain there only until he wears a mask.
that's so interesting, Sheel. I think so many of the big leaders and police officers could use we could use advice from kids as young as you to make sure that people follow rules in this country. It's a very good idea. They shouldn't be allowed to board the bus if they're not wearing a mask. And I think we have the youth of the nation in consensus with us, so it can be incorporated now. All right, Sheel. Do you see yourself getting more involved with AI? Is it something that you want to keep doing? Maybe start learning how to code sometime later in
Yes,
life. Yeah, it's something that excites you.
yes.
Well, of course, you're very young. You're only 10 years old. It's a little bit early to ask you this, but do you see a career maybe in AI? Is it something that you want to take up as a profession? Do you feel excited?
Now I don't know anything. In
I can
the
understand.
secondary section, it will.
Yeah,
I will then know it. And I am
right.
just in fifth standard, and it is in 10th standard. After 10th standard, I have to do. So it is
Yeah,
almost
I
five
think
and
you're
a
right.
half years.
Right. No, I understand that, but it's still so amazing that at such a young age, it's such a far off decision, but you're still trying your hand at different things. Does your school teach coding? Is it
Uh,
a
yes,
popular
but
thing amongst?
yes. My school teaches coding. Now in fifth standard to eighth standard, my school will teach coding, and it will teach in Scratch.
In Scratch? Okay, so that's the language that you will be taught. Do you have another idea maybe in mind? What is the next AI project for you
Yeah,
in line?
I am telling my that uncle that teach me how to do that wiring, so that if I clap, the light on happens, and if I see
Ah,
light on, that I have to
that you
study.
want to. Okay, that's very interesting. Well, thank you so much, Sheel. It's very reassuring to see that kids as young as you are thinking far ahead and are thinking of making law enforcement in the country better and using technology to do so. So we are sure and we're happy to see that the country and the technological future of our country is in safe hands. So thank you so much. I wish you good luck in your future endeavors, and I hope that you can carry forward this enthusiasm for technology further in your life and do some great wonders for your country.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sheel. Bye bye. Have a good day. We'll see you again on India Air. Bye.
Bye. Bye.